DGPS surveyors ensure exact and accurate measurements for a variety of projects, which is a critical role for them to play in the field of land surveying and mapping. Gurgaon Sector 23 is one such location where the skills of DGPS surveyors are in high demand. A large amount of expansion and urbanization are taking place in Gurgaon, a city in the Indian state of Haryana, which is driving up demand for land surveying services. With the use of cutting-edge tools and technology, DGPS surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 23 can complete surveys quickly and effectively. A well-known residential and business district in Gurgaon, Sector 23, is seeing quick infrastructure growth. Accurate land surveying becomes crucial as more and more building, utility, and real estate projects are underway. Differential Global Positioning System, DGPS, technology, which gives increased precision compared to conventional surveying methods, is used by DGPS surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 23 to produce accurate measurements. They gather information from numerous satellites using sophisticated tools and software, which allows them to pinpoint the precise location and elevation of various sites on the ground. A reputable company in Gurgaon that specializes in offering complete land surveying and mapping solutions is SCON Design. With a staff of knowledgeable DGPS surveyors, they are able to meet the unique requirements of customers in Sector 23 and the surrounding areas. SCON Design is aware of the need of providing correct survey data within allotted times to enable efficient project execution. Their DGPS surveyors ensure compliance with all relevant rules because they have in-depth knowledge of the local geography and laws. DGPS surveyors use cutting-edge methods to provide accurate maps and drawings that support government agencies, developers, and architects in making decisions. DGPS surveyors play a crucial role in the field of land surveying and mapping, ensuring accurate and precise measurements for various projects. One such area where the expertise of DGPS surveyors is highly sought after is in Gurgaon, specifically in Sector 23. Gurgaon, a rapidly developing city in the state of Haryana, is witnessing significant growth and urbanization, leading to an increased demand for land surveying services. DGPS surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 23 are equipped with the knowledge and skills to efficiently carry out surveys using advanced technology and equipment. Sector 23 in Gurgaon is a prominent residential and commercial area, experiencing rapid infrastructural development. With numerous real estate projects, construction activities, and utility installations taking place, accurate land surveying becomes imperative. DGPS surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 23 provide precise measurements using Differential Global Positioning System, DGPS, technology, which offers enhanced accuracy compared to traditional surveying methods. They use specialized equipment and software to collect data from multiple satellites, enabling them to determine the exact position and elevation of various points on the land. SCON Design is a renowned firm that specializes